Hi everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Today I have Tilly and Maddie with me and we're back with Arteza, and so we're going to be having some summer fun with their hair chalk and their temporary tattoos. So the girls picked these two things out, or well, Maddie did anyway. They wanted to have a go and have some fun with these new things. So we're going to try out a couple of the tattoos. I'm going to add some colour to their hair. They thought I'd have a go like mum, having some fun and colourful hair. So let's start off with these tattoos. I'll get them out and the girls can pick some out. Now these are only temporary. They last 1 to 5 days, but I think they're a fun thing to do over the summer. You just add them on, they're super simple. And if you need to remove them, you can do it with baby oil, coconut oil, olive oil, all those kinds of things. There's all sorts of different ones on the sheet, so you can pick out something that you like.
Oh, I like this one.
I like
this one.
Oh.
I like this one, Mom.
Do you like, or do you like the elephant?
No, I don't like that one.
Kitty cat?
Oh, yeah, no. I would like this, yeah.
You like the starfish?
And the mermaid. We're going to have 3. Okay? Because
So we'll cut out the ones that they want.
I like a medium one and a big one.
And you want?
the mermaid.
Okay. Maddie, do you want to cut out the ones you want?
Can you help me with this one? Please.
I know which one you're going to pick off the other sheet.
This one?
Mm-hmm. You happy with those?
Yeah.
Go on then.
I love you, Daddy.
Mm.
I love you too.
This one. Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy.
Do you want a butterfly too?
Yeah.
Which one? This one?
Is this Maddie's?
Yes.
Yes.
How
How many have you got, Tilly?
3.
Good job. So we'll check that we're doing it right on here. So you get 10 sheets in a pack. So we've done everything. They've already cleaned and dried their skin. We've cut out our design. So which ones are you going to do first, girls?
I think I'm going to do
I think I'll go do the butterfly.
Butterfly first?
Yeah.
this. This girl.
You're going to do the skull. So you peel off your acetate. And where do you want it, Tilly, on your skin? On your arm?
Mm-hmm.
So you put it on the skin, like this. And then you just take a damp cloth. So I just have a face cloth with some water on it. And you hold it down for about 30 seconds. And then you peel back. And they recommend that you just peel a corner first. Check if it's okay. And then you can, if you need to replace with add some more water, just hold it down again. And if it's okay, you can just peel back. So I guess we'll be applying for a few minutes.
Is that my butterfly?
That's cool.
So that was a fun experience. Now, if you're wondering why Tilly doesn't have her mermaid, why was it, Tilly?
Because it was frustrating.
We forgot to take the plastic off. Anyway, we learned our lesson. We got an extra little tattoo. But yeah, they last 1 to 5 days. They're super easy to put on, weren't they, Maddie?
Yeah.
And I think they're just a really fun thing. Plus they're silver and gold metallics. You've got lots of different sheets. I think 10 sheets in there. So lots of designs to choose from. And geometric animals in there, just like our January subscription box. So we had fun choosing those. Now let's try the hair chalk. Okay, so we have 12 colours to choose from. Maddie, you can choose. You're going pink?
No, I don't go have that one.
Gold. Maddie?
What are we doing?
Well, I don't know. We're just going to experiment. So, colour.
How many colours do we get?
Well, just start with a colour. All right, let's start with Tilly then. So we just colour straight onto her hair. The colour comes out really vibrant, you can see on here. So we're going to add some colour to Tilly's hair and to Maddi's hair as well.
Of course you do. She has a lot of colours, Tilly.
So I think we had fun. Did we have fun, girls?
Yes.
Tilly? Yes. So I definitely had some fun there. It was really easy. I found the easiest thing to do was kind of like take a section of their hair, put my hand underneath, and then just scribble on top. I washed my hands. They came out super clean. You can see that. Just soap and water. I also just rinsed my comb to soap and water. It came off really easy. So I'm fairly confident they are just going to wash out like they say they did. We'll obviously report back too. And if after we find that they don't wash out, we'll add something at the end of the video. But I'm pretty confident they're going to wash out just fine. And I think you had fun?
Yes.
Happy with your colours?
Yes.
Cool. So that's the Arteza hair chalk. Lots of possibilities. I mean, tons of colours in here as well. So I already had my request for Halloween for my Miss Harley Quinn over here and my little unicorn on the other side. So lots and lots of fun. As always, links in the video description, and we always appreciate when you use them. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed seeing us have some fun here on the blog today. And I will see you again tomorrow, another tip, trick tutorial, or maybe something else. And of course, hit that join button. Well, they need to hit the join button first to join the Hedgehog Hollow community. Lots of reasons to join there, of course, savings and all of those fun things. Have a great weekend as well. And in the meantime, happy crafting and have a great day. Bye.
Are we doing now one?